Hi everyone, want to turn your scripts or blog post into a pro looking AI videos fast and easy? Today let me show you how to do it with Nim.video in just minutes. Let's get started. First go to the Nim.video and sign up using your email or Google account. Then here you'll be landed in the dashboard, and the Nim lets you turn into text into a high quality AI videos with avatars, voiceovers and visual automatically. Then to create a video, just click create new video and then choose the options like AI avatar video, script to video or talking head explainer. For this demo, we'll choose a script to video. And then here you can add your script or text. Paste your text, blog or video script into the editor, and the name will automatically generate and break the script into sections. And also you can choose an avatar, voice, and style. You can customize the font, layout, and visuals, and you can change the background, add music, and even upload your own brand assets. Then here, click preview to check your video, and if satisfied, click the render. Then download in MP4 format or share via link. And that's it. In just minutes, you can create a professional AI video with Nim.video. This is perfect for marketing, YouTube, TikTok, and more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.